Since the demise of Holden and Ford in Australia, we've really been looking for a reasonably priced sports sedan that would fill the void that the Commodore and the Falcon left off. And in 2017 we got this, the Stinger GT, 3.3 litre V6 twin turbo. Produces around about 270 kilowatts of power at the flywheel. Now that's on par with what the VF Series 1 6 litre V8 Commodore would do, so a great car right out of the box. So Australians being as we are, we can't leave well enough alone and we've got to do things up. So the Horsepower Factory has put together a couple of packages for the Stinger GT, and this particular customer has asked to do our Stage 2 upgrade. So we're going to get this car up on the dyno, see what it makes in standard trim, then get the package fitted and see what sort of results we can produce.
The first process in our Stage 2 upgrade is to remove the standard air boxes and filters. Now we can remove the intake manifold so that we can access the spark plugs, which we will replace with a colder version. The colder plug will help stop pre-detonation, which will allow us to run more boost.
While you're here, please take a second to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get all the latest updates from the Horsepower Factory. If you'd like to know more about our packages, go to our website hp-f.com.au. Now it's back to the video.
With the new plugs in, we can fit the upgraded Johnny Tig cold air intake kit. This comprises of larger 3-inch intake pipes down to the turbos. The air boxes are filled with massive K&N filters and topped off with covers to protect them. The restrictive factory air ducts are also removed so that we can channel the cold air from directly behind the grille. This kit alone makes a huge difference to throttle response and outright power. The next step in the process is to remove the quiet standard exhaust and replace this with a catback system that will give this sports car the aggressive note it deserves. Our exhaust of choice in this upgrade is the Baller S-Type stainless steel exhaust system featuring Baller's patented polyphonic harmonizer technology. This contains pipes of different diameters and lengths to create multiple exhaust notes that harmonise to deliver a clean, rich, full-bodied sound without excessive cabin drone. With everything buttoned up, it's back onto the dyno for a custom remap of the factory ECU.
So there you go, 335 kilowatts at the flywheel and an amazing torque curve right through the middle of that rev range. Now if you'd like to know more about our Stinger packages that we have here at the Horsepower Factory, get onto our website at hp-f.com.au or contact us on 1-800-GO-FAST.